How to fix Event ID 8193 volume shadow copy service error on Windows. 1. Run sfc and dism as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health to. Allow permissions to network service account by registry editor. To do so, run the following commands in PowerShell as admin: $path equals $HKLM/system/current control set /services/VSS/diagram $SDDL equals dpi a cot va a cot sy a ccdclcswrpsdrc bo a ccdclcswrpsdrc ls a ccdclcswrpsdrc ns a ciio rc al a kr bulletin a CIIO, GR, Bulletin, A, CIIO, GA, BA, A, CIIO, GA, VO, A, CIIO, GA, LS, A, CIIO, GA, NS, A, CIIO, GA, SY, A, CI, CCDCLCSW, S1-5-80-32738815531811553-101314733-390205191, A, ID, KR, AC, A, Scioid, GR, AC, SRA $ACL equals get ACL path path $ACL dot set security descriptor SDDL form, $SDDL. Set ACL path $path ACL object $ACL3. Delete temporary internet files. 4. System restore to a point before the problem started. 5. Repair Windows installation.